Hi, my name is Mary. This is my interactive assignment for week 6 in personality theories. Facebook profile of Bob. I decided to have the name Bob represent the person that I am choosing off of the social media network of Facebook. Bob seems to post at least once a day about private information that he shares with others. The behavioral theory. Psychologist behavioralism was created by Stats and exhibits traditional personality concerns such as emotion and characteristics that are identified as behavior. Stats identified behavior as being modified by biology, learning, and social interaction, including child development. The idea of human personality built through learning and adapting behavior and emotions. The basic behavioral properties are identified as a complex learned behavior in the language, cognitive, emotional, motivational, and sensory motor characteristics. Identifying Bob and his behaviorism. Bob's profile on Facebook indicates that he deletes his account quite often. He posts about learning the language of Spanish. He also tags his daughter in events such as traveling and events that involve sharing emotions or memes on the social network. According to his profile, he has a total of 48 friends, which most including are family, coworkers, personal friends, and old friends from college. His behaviors identify on social media that he uses technology to reach out to his closest friends and posts about language, writing, family, and learning and social sciences. Personality profile. The personality profile that I identified for Bob is that he provides information based off his perception of social and individual aspects. Learning a new language provides Bob with providing and identifying a new language by social adapting to a new setting in order to communicate with a wider range of people and to expand his learning abilities. By using social media to communicate with his old college friends, he is using the long-term communicative behavior in order for his emotional, motivational attitude. Behavioralism theory versus trait theory. Comparing behavioralism and traits. Behavior and social media for Bob. Behavioralism and social media is considered as kindness. Facebook is a diverse social media that provides personal and interpersonal interactions with others. Behavioralism and Bob provide emotions, characteristics, and social communication that provide a wide range of communication and learning. The trait theory. A personality trait is identified as a characteristic of an individual that provides unique detail and a unique style of adapting to the world. Bob traits are influenced by sharing communication such as language, Spanish, to express his communication. He provides individual traits such as from his point of view and a common trait identified from another point of view. Behavioralism. Since the use of Facebook as a media platform, it is one of the most interactive, user-friendly websites that identifies and studies behaviors, preferences, and personalities. Behaviors on the status profile or preference identifies interests and language use of habits. After identifying the behavior, the design of social network analysis combines the programming of personality data combination for assessment, and the combination of social media and personality provide behavior for social features of networking relations. Traits on Facebook. Over the past years, the average amount of Facebook and traits have been increasing. There are about 1.1 billion daily users, which is the most populated social media website by sharing photos, videos, and personal information online. Bob, who is above the age of 60, could be associated with the trait depression, which is 6.7% of all U.S. adults who use social media. The time that is spent on Facebook identifies depression, personality traits, and the use of social media. The general traits of using Facebook include general and social interaction, making new or keeping friends, passing time, or sharing information. Realism and framework. For a framework for social media, there are some people that identify or portray a perfect life and hide detail to provide more friendships, positivity, and realistic features. Bob doesn't verify his emotions as much on Facebook as in reality. He's not identifying his health issues and doesn't provide them at all for social media for feelings for others. Reality on social media is more private and society. Bob limits the amount of emotion that he shares to communicate with others because of his personality and combined traits.